to know Janvi's turmoil. You want to know what I did to move on. What did you do?
मेरे पास एक बच्चा है भाई.
But I mean, you spoke about revenge never looked this festive. But tell me, what is the craziest thing you guys have done to fight for love
Like
or
a
get
revenge.
back love?
This would, I mean, what's happening in this film is pretty crazy.
No, I
as
wanted
it
to
is,
ask
you know,
real life.
to grow up, to go and break up an ex's wedding. In real life, have I? Yeah, I mean, any of y'all have broken any, like, if someone has moved on? Yeah, you have, Shashank.
You have broken weddings?
Have you? You made sure. I think when you and Nalini had broken up briefly in between, you made sure she doesn't go to
100%.
any other person.
But the things I did, they cannot be said on stage anymore.
Varun, Janvi.
Basically, you cried.
मतलब when nothing works, crying always works because लड़की को लगता है अरे बेचारा. तो अपने तो charity में भी चलेगा.
Rohit, what have you done? You, अरे what? No, अरे. This is the question they all want to know. कि रोहित का दिल.
यार सच बोली, इतनी लुच्ची कहानियां सुनाई थी, बताता क्यों नहीं एक दो इधर? जिम में इसने ऐसी ऐसी बातें बताई हैं, क्या बताएं आपको?
मेरा होगा ना जब किसी हाँ माइक चलेंगे, सब माइक चलेंगे. कभी
हम सारे
कभी
माइक तेरे पे लगाएंगे.
कभी दिल टूटा होगा तो वो कुछ तो रिवेंज का, कुछ तो प्लॉटिंग किया होगा.
कुछ भी नहीं भाई, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. आपको
झूठा.
क्या? अरे चार और
इसने अपने सब गम शूटिंग करके भुला दिए.
जानवी जी आप?
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. शशांक सर की बात मत सुनिए आप लोग प्लीज.
Janvi, what about you? If like any turmoil has happened in any relationship of yours, have you ever tried to get back with that person? Have you played some games?
Varun, why don't we talk about your turmoils in life?
मैं बता रहा हूँ, वरुण ने आते ही
You
बोला
want
था
to know
मेरी शादी हो
Janvi's
गई.
turmoil. You want to know what I did to move on. What did you do?
मेरे पास एक बच्चा है भाई.
बच्चे से पहले.
ये तू बोल बोल के अपने आप को याद दिलाता है, तेरी हरकतें नहीं है वैसी मुझे लग रहा है. 5 बार तूने बोला बच्चा है मेरा बच्चा, अपने आप को याद दिला रहा है.
Janvi,
Janvi,
Varun,
you
come
say.
on, spill
You
some
say.
beans.
What have you
Yeah.
done to move on?
आई थिंक वैसे तो मैं काफ़ी संस्कारी हूँ, ऐसे कुछ इस लेवल का कभी नहीं किया. बट आई थिंक एवरी गर्ल ब्रेकअप के बाद इफ यू नो दैट यू आर बम्पिंग इनटू दैट बॉय, तो एक अच्छी सी ड्रेस पहन के मेकअप वेकअप करके जलाने के लिए पहुंच जाता है ना हम लोग कभी कभी. तो उतना किया है बस.
But I have been used by someone to like no, who now I'm not going to tell you, but she.
बेचारा कितना भोला बच्चा है. He has
So
been
she
used.
no, I'll tell you, she was a supermodel. I won't tell you who she was, and she was
अच्छा
obviously
वो
like.
वाली?
No. She was like double my height for sure. And there was a ex of hers who was dancing with someone. So I was at a club, I was just sitting. So she said, can we dance? Now she's literally double my height. So I was just like kind of dancing with her. And she was not looking at me also, she was looking at that guy like that. And I was just dancing like that with her while she kept giving him looks. And eventually they left